In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Roposo to Shopify in our 2025 full tutorial. Whether you're just starting out with Roposo or looking to integrate it into your existing Shopify store, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a seamless connection between Roposo and Shopify, opening up new opportunities for your business. First, we'll start on your Shopify homepage. From there, the first thing you want to do is navigate to the Apps section. This is the area where you can manage all the apps connected to your store, and where we'll begin our journey to link Roposo. In the Apps section, use the search bar to look for Roposo. It's essential to ensure you're searching in the right place because the app ecosystem can be vast, and you want to make sure you're selecting the correct application for your needs. Once you've found Roposo, the next step is to click Install. Now, in this tutorial, if you find that the app is not available in your store, don't worry. Occasionally, some apps might not be available in certain regions or if certain requirements aren't met. However, if it is available, you'll need to click Install once more to confirm your choice. This additional confirmation step helps prevent any unwanted installations, ensuring that you have complete control over the apps you introduce to your store. After confirming the installation, you should be prompted to log into the app. This is where you'll enter your credentials, allowing Shopify and Roposo to communicate effectively. Now that you've logged into Roposo, the next focus is on setting up your pricing. You'll notice there are two important price points to configure: the regular price and the compare at price. Setting both effectively can be a powerful marketing tool, as it shows potential customers the value you're getting with your current pricing. For example, displaying a higher compare at price can make your current price appear as a discount, encouraging buyers to take action. It's crucial to consider how these price settings align with your overall marketing and pricing strategy, ensuring they are set to attract and convert your audience. Once you've set your desired prices, don't forget to save your changes. Clicking Save ensures that all the hard work you've put into setting up the app and its configurations are securely stored and applied to your store. Saving is a simple yet crucial step, as it finalizes your integration process, making everything come together seamlessly. And there you have it, a fully integrated connection between Roposo and Shopify. Remember, with every new integration, there's a learning curve, so take your time to explore the features Roposo offers. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful in enhancing your Shopify store with Roposo. Happy selling,